Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing tools, install Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Pandas, then load your CSV. Once done, inspect a few rows with data frame. Head to confirm columns. Next, create a figure with PLT, figure, and plot a simple histogram or line, SNS. Histplot data column or DF. Plot x equals x, y equals y. Make sure to set labels and a title early. This clarifies intent and prevents rework. Keep increments small so you can iterate quickly and catch errors. Once your basic plot appears, refine aesthetics and layout. You should set a Seaborn style and palette or tweak Matplotlib RC params for font sizes and grid visibility. Then add context, axis labels, legend placement, and selective annotations to highlight points. If showing multiple series, use subplots with sherks or sherry and call tight layout to avoid overlaps. Also format ticks and dates for readability. Doing this now prevents misinterpretation later and keeps your visualization communicative and polished. You finish by exporting and validating the result. Save at 300 dpi with bbox inches equals tight to preserve layout for presentations. Make sure palettes are colorblind friendly and that file size and resolution meet your target. If something goes wrong, first inspect data types and missing values, then verify column names and axis mappings. Those are the most common issues. If plotting hangs or crashes, reduce data size or sample with DF. Sample 1000. Finally, rerun the script and confirm the final image matches your intent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.